more difficult to remove. You'll also see I removed the cap on the thumbstick just because it's easier to access the screws with that out the way. To remove that, just get it in a pincer grip between your thumb and finger.
This is the Oculus Quest controller, ripped to shreds, so I can fix my stick drift issue. Right now, I'm gonna have to take this bad boy off and then get in there and replace it. But take a look. Take a good gander. All right, Miss Camera Lady, we're gonna take this ribbon, flip it up, and now this joystick piece should.
Wow.
There's a joystick, ladies and gentlemen. There's a joystick. So as we see, we have baggies full of stuff. This is for the head of the Oculus. This is for the motherboard. I wrote motherboard at first. And then this is for the grip. And then, so we just took our joystick out. And now, I'm gonna continue watching my video.
Down on the screw to get a purchase.
Let's reassemble.
Is this a new joystick piece that you're about to reinstall?
This is my new joystick. What it does to me when I'm done with it, it makes me share. I love Chloe. Bless you. Hey, right. You bloody well, right.
There she is. Took forever, but it's done.